and we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the snapping function. I'll make a more in-depth video about snapping itself, but if you just want to know how to enable and disable it, this video is for you. You've got this icon right here on the right hand side. If it's highlighted, the snapping is active, and if you click on it, you can disable it. If you don't see it, go to View, and you've got 3 basic view modes. So this is the custom, then you'll find it on top, and you can highlight it by clicking on it. With the default mode, you'll see it on the right hand side as well. And this so you can enable and disable the snapping function in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.